Okay, dear learners, till now we have discussed about the definition or meaning of derivative of a function and the algebra of derivatives, various formulae related to derivatives, and how to find derivative of a function using chain rule. Okay, today we are going to discuss one more interesting topic, that is logarithmic differentiation. Okay, first of all we have to know the condition in which we have to apply logarithm. First we have to apply log in both sides, and then we have to differentiate that particular function. Okay, so egita formula আমি already পাইছো. You see in the first formula, it is all these are related to power. এই গোটেইকেইটাতে power আছে. Okay, in first case it is ddx of e to the power x. E means the exponential function. This formula is applied only when our function is an exponential function. Given function is an exponential function. এই formula to আমি তেতিয়াহে apply কৰিম যদি আমাৰ function to exponential function হয়. When exponential function possesses some power, then only this formula will be applied. Okay, and the second formula, it is a to the power x, ddx of a to the power x, where a is any constant and the power x is a variable, and this formula will be applied to those functions in which we are given a function in which base is a constant and power is a variable. এই ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি কেতিয়া ইউজ কৰিম, আমাক যেটো ফাংচন দিয়া আছে তাৰ বেসটো যদি কিবা এটা কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকে, সাপোজ 2 to the power sin x. Okay, in this case we can apply this formula because 2 is a constant and sin x is a variable. Okay, so, and the third formula, you see the third formula, ddx of x to the power n. In this case the base is a variable and the power is a constant. Yet ki hoise, base to eta variable ase, power to eta constant ase. Suppose sin x to the power 5. In this case base is a variable, power is a constant, then so we will apply this formula. Okay, so we have these three formulas, and all of them have some particular conditions in which we can apply, when we can apply this formula. In the first case, we will apply this formula when the given function is an exponential function. In second case, we will apply this formula when the base of the function is any constant and power is a variable, and in third case it will be applied to those functions in which the base is a variable and power is a constant. হৈ গল, তো এইকেইটা আমি তেতিয়া এপ্লাই কৰিম. এতিয়া suppose there are some functions like x to the power sin x. Okay, if you are given a function like y equal to x to the power sin x, and you have to find out the value of dy by dx, that is ddx of x to the power sin x, then which formula will be applied here? আমাক যদি এটো উলিয়াব দিয়ে, আমি কোনটো ফৰ্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিম? sin x is power of x here. Okay, in this case you see this x is a variable, and also this sin x is a variable. That means here the function is in the form of variable to the power variable. ইয়াত যেটো ফাংশন আমাৰ দিয়া আছে তাত দুইটাই ভেৰিয়েবলে দিয়া আছে. In the previous formula you see, here in this case it is exponential function. Okay, it is exponential function. Here one is variable, one is constant. Here also one is variable, one is constant. Okay, therefore if we are given both the base is a variable, power is a variable, both when these both are variable, in that case what should we do? আমাক যদি বেস টু ভেৰিয়েবল দিয়া আছে, পাৱাৰ টু ভেৰিয়েবল দিয়া আছে, তেতিয়া হলে আমি ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েশন কেনেকৈ কৰিম? তো ইন দ্যাট কেস উই ক্যানট directly apply those formulas, because সেই ফৰ্মুলা কেইটা আমি এপ্লাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো, কাৰণ সেইকেইটা ইয়াত সুট নকৰে. কেলে নকৰিব? এটা ফৰ্মুলা মতে বেসটো এটা কনস্ট্যান্ট আছে, পাৱাৰটো এটা ভেৰিয়েবল আছে, এটা বেস ভেৰিয়েবল আছে, পাৱাৰটো কনস্ট্যান্ট আছে, আৰু এটাটো এক্সপোনেনশিয়েলৰ হয়, গতিকে সেইকেইটা আমি এপ্লাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো. ইন such a case we have to do logarithmic differentiation. That means logarithmic differentiation means it is when the function is in the form of y equal to ux to the power vx. Ux means ux মানে কি function of any function of x হয় না মই কৈছিলো নহয় function of x তো অকল fx লিখিব বুলি কথা নাই function of x may be written as fx gx hx ux vx যিকোনো লিখিব পাৰি হয় না তো ux is a function of x, similarly vx is a function of x. So if the given function is in the form of a function of x to the power a function of x, then in that case we have to apply logarithmic differentiation. তো সেইবিলাক ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি logarithmic differentiation apply কৰিব লাগিব তাত আমি কি কৰিম যেটো given function আছে we have to apply log on both sides, that is log y equal to log ux to the power vx. আমি এনেকে both side log apply কৰি দিম তো vx তো হৈছে power, in case of logarithmic the power will come here. So vx will come first, then log y equal to vx into log ux. Okay, etu hoise tar formula procedure hol. So let us consider one example. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. It is the function is given as log x to the power cos x. Here you see log x is a variable, cos x is a variable, therefore you have to apply logarithm on both sides. Okay, আমি এটা logarithm apply কৰি লব লাগিব তো you apply this, তো log y equal to log of log x to the power cos x whole, then this cos x will come in front of the log of log x. So here it is cos x into log of log x, and after that you will take ddx of log y equal to ddx of this. Tamane first you have to apply log on both sides and then you differentiate the function. Tarpisot tumi differentiate koriba both side. So ddx lagaila ddx of log y equal ddx of this, and ya pisor khini ami chain rule jeneke asle teneke proceed koribo lagibo. So ddx of log y, we have a formula like ddx of log x. ddx of log x, that means etu x hole etu x hobo lage hane, ddx of log x 1 by x, but we do not have a formula like ddx of log y. Yes, amar ddx of log y boli formula nai, to etu x and x to mili thakibo lagibo. In this case it is x, it is y, to ami ki korim, we will apply chain rule. So we will consider this y as x, we will assume it as x, and then we will apply the formula of ddx of log x. Ami first day y to x boli consider korilam, tar pisot ami formula to apply korim, korile ki hoy jabo ddx of log x hole ki hoy 1 by x hoy, to in this case it will come as 1 by y, and then again differentiate the term which is considered as x. Tarpisot tumi jitu term ok x boli consider korisila tar differentiation ami iyat y x boli consider korisilu, to ddx of y. It is the chain rule. In our earlier class we have discussed about it. Okay, আমি আগত ডিসকাস কৰিলো তো এতিয়া ইয়াত আহি গল তো in our left hand side it is 1 by y dy by dx, and in the right hand side cos x is one function, log of log x is another function. That means in this case cos x is multiplied with log x. So here we will apply algebra of derivative. So algebra function is ddx of fx into gx. We have a formula like ddx of fx into gx. Okay, eto that case like fx into ddx of gx plus gx into ddx of fx. We will apply this formula. Okay, so here you see cos x into ddx of this plus log of log x into ddx of cos x enake ahi jabo, and it is same as chain rule. So ekhine ami parim sage cos x yat formula apply kori dilo. Now etu y to efale gusi gale ki hoy jabo y multiply hoy jabo, replace this y by y mane ki asla our given function, to replace it by log x to the power cos x. to y jagat ami likhi dilu log x to the power cos x aru baki khini teneke thakile hoy gol. It is the answer. So here you see it is your question number 7 from 5 exercise 5.5. Question number 7. It is given as y equal to log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. In this case you see here the function is a combination of two functions. Yes, in the first function it is variable to the power variable, that is it is in the form of ux to the power vx, and in the second case also the function is in the form of ux to the power vx. First function to ux to the power vx ot ase, mane variable to the power variable ot ase, second to variable to the power variable ot ase. Therefore we have to apply logarithm first. Okay, কিন্তু ইয়াত কি হ'ব, we cannot apply directly আমি log y to log directly এনেকৈ apply কৰি দিব নোৱাৰোঁ. Log y equal to log of this plus this, we cannot write like this, because we do not have any formula like log a plus b equal to log a plus log b. We do not such type of formula. এনেকুৱা ফৰ্মুলা আমাৰ ওচৰত নাই, সেইকাৰণে আমি ডাইৰেক্ট এনেকৈ log a plus b টাইপত এপ্লাই কৰি দিব নোৱাৰোঁ. So it is not the procedure when two such functions are added or subtracted in which both the function are in the form of ux to the power vx. In that case we will consider one of them as u and the other as v, like this. তেতিয়া আমি এটাক u বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিম, এটাক v বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিম. Then differentiate with respect to x, and you will get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now we have to find this du by dx and then dv by dx, and we have to put the values in this equation, and then we will get dy by dx. তো আমি কি কৰিম, ফাৰ্ষ্টত du by dx উলিয়াম, দেন dv by dx উলিয়াম, ভেলুকেইটা আমি ইয়াত পুট কৰি দিম, তেতিয়া dy by dx হ'ব. তো what is u and v? What is u? U is log x to the power x and v is x to the power log x. Okay, তো ইয়াৰ প্ৰচিডিউৰটো এনেকৈ কৰিব লাগিব. তো ফাৰ্ষ্ট u equal to log x to the power x. Okay, variable to the power variable. তো the procedure is same. First you apply log on both sides. দুইটা সাইডত আমি log দি দিলো. তো log u equal to log of log x to the power x. X will come in front of log of log x. Then the log u equal to x log of log x equal. Then you apply ddx. তাৰপিছত ddx apply কৰি দিয়া, কি হ'ব, ddx of log u equal to ddx of this. So ddx of log u, so you consider this u as x. So ddx of log x হলে 1 by x হয়, ইয়াত আহিব 1 by u du by dx, আৰু ইটো সাইডত ইয়াত আহি যাব আমাৰ, okay here ইয়াত 1 by u এটা আহিব, তো u টো আমি হেফালে লৈ গৈছো, এটো u. So u into the other part is same as chain rule. Here it is x into log of log x. It is multiplication of two functions fx into gx. So you again apply the formula ddx of fx into gx. Okay, so fx ddx of gx plus gx ddx of fx. So এনেকৈ কৰি আমি du by dx to পাই গলো হল. Next you find dv by dx. Therefore we are taking v. তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি v টো লৈ ললো, এতিয়া আমাক dv by dx লাগে, তো গতিকে আমি v টো লৈ ললো x to the power log x. Okay, x to the power log x, variable to the power variable. Therefore you apply log on both sides. So log v equal to log x to the power log x. So log x to আগত আহি যাব, তো log x into log x, that means log x whole square. Okay, so log x whole square means here you can apply the formula x log x. We will consider this log x as x, and we will apply log x to the power n formula. So n x to the power n minus 1 হয়, ইয়াত হ'ব 2 log x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 log x and ddx of log x. Okay, হৈ গ'ল এইটো, সাথে v টো এফালে আহি গ'ল. then you replace v by x to the power log x. Okay, then thus we have got the dv by dx, value of dv by dx. So now you put the values of du by dx and dv by dx in your equation number 1. Your equation number 1 ত আমাৰ এটো আছিল নহয়, ইয়াত আমি du by dx আৰু dv by dx ৰ ভ্যালু পুট কৰি দিলো, and we get our answer. Okay, তেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগিব. তো এইকেইটা আমাৰ এলজেব্ৰা আছিল, আৰু এইকেইটা আছিল আমাৰ ফৰ্মুলা কেইটা. এইখিনি আমাৰ বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট. এইকেইটা হোমৱৰ্ক মই আগৰ ক্লাছত দিয়া হৈছিল, তোমালোকে যদি কৰিছা তেতিয়া আনসাৰ কেইটা মোক ক'ব পাৰা কমেন্ট সেকশনতে, if you like this video, then you can share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the recent updates. Okay, thank you.